If you've ever looked at the price of espresso machines and thought, there has to be a cheaper way to make great coffee, you're not alone. Many coffee lovers want rich, cafe-style espresso at home, but don't want to spend hundreds of dollars on a bulky machine that takes up half the kitchen counter. That's exactly where a traditional moka pot comes in. Today, we're taking a look at the Primula Classic Moka Pot Stovetop Espresso and Coffee Maker. This is a simple, affordable coffee maker designed for people who love strong, flavorful coffee without the complexity or cost of an electric espresso machine. Whether you're into Italian-style espresso, Cuban coffee, Americanos, cappuccinos, or lattes, this classic stovetop brewer promises rich coffee with surprisingly little effort. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. Right away, the Primula Moka Pot makes a good first impression. It has that timeless octagonal design that's been associated with stovetop espresso makers for generations. The black finish gives it a clean, classic look, while the aluminum body feels sturdy without being excessively heavy. It doesn't feel like a disposable kitchen gadget. Instead, it feels like something built to become part of your daily coffee routine. The handle stays comfortable during use, and the compact footprint means it can easily fit in small kitchens, apartments, RVs, or office break rooms. One of the biggest advantages of this design is its simplicity. There are no buttons, screens, apps, or complicated settings to learn. You simply add water to the bottom chamber, place ground coffee into the filter basket, assemble the pot, and put it on the stove. For people who appreciate a hands-on brewing experience, there's something satisfying about how straightforward the process feels. Performance is where moka pots have earned such a loyal following over the years. The Primula produces a rich, concentrated coffee that's stronger and more flavorful than standard drip coffee. While it's important to understand that a moka pot doesn't create true espresso like a high-pressure espresso machine, it gets surprisingly close in terms of intensity and body. The result works exceptionally well for lattes, cappuccinos, Cuban coffee, and straight shots of strong coffee. The cast aluminum construction helps distribute heat evenly across the brewing chamber. In everyday use, that translates into more consistent extraction and better flavor. Brewing is also relatively fast. Once the water heats up, coffee begins flowing into the upper chamber within minutes. There are no loud grinders, pumps, or motors involved, making the entire process virtually silent except for the familiar bubbling sound that signals your coffee is ready. Another area where the Primula performs well is convenience. Since it doesn't require electricity, it's incredibly versatile. You can use it at home, in a cabin, while traveling in an RV, or even while camping with the appropriate heat source. The ability to brew quality coffee almost anywhere adds a level of flexibility many electric machines simply can't match. Cleaning is refreshingly easy as well. Once the pot cools, it disassembles into a few simple components that can be rinsed with warm water. There are no paper filters to replace, no complicated brewing systems to maintain, and very few parts that can fail over time. Of course, there are a few limitations worth mentioning. Like most moka pots, there's a learning curve. Your first brew may not be perfect as you experiment with grind size, heat levels, and coffee ratios. It also requires more manual involvement than a push-button coffee maker. If convenience is your top priority, an automatic machine might be a better fit. Compared to similarly priced moka pots, the Primula stands out because of its solid construction, reliable brewing performance, and user-friendly design. While some budget competitors can feel lightweight or inconsistent, the Primula strikes a nice balance between affordability and durability. It delivers the classic moka pot experience without unnecessary complications. Overall, the Primula Classic Moka Pot is an excellent choice for coffee lovers who want rich, flavorful coffee without investing in an expensive espresso machine. It's simple, reliable, easy to maintain, and capable of producing cafe-style drinks at a fraction of the cost. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more honest coffee gear reviews. And if you're ready to upgrade your morning coffee without spending a fortune, check out the link in the description to see the latest pricing and availability.